Baby, you ain't gotta lie to me. Got me tripping off your energy.
Hi YouTube, it's Vanessa, and in today's video I decided to dive back into one of my old palettes, which is the Naked Heat palette by Urban Decay. And I've had this palette for a very long time, so I thought I would dive back into it. So this is what the palette looks like if you've never seen it before. But yeah, so we're gonna be using this just to do an eyeshadow look, and that's all I'm doing in today's video. So if you're interested to see what I do with this palette, then keep on watching. I did my eyebrows off camera, which they look actually really good today. So I'm going to be carving them out and also priming my eyelids using the Wet n Wild foundation in the color Classic Beige, taking of course my M410 brush, dipping right into that and carving out my eyebrows.
Okay guys, so I didn't film the next clip of me saying that I was going to do the other eye off camera. So the next clip you guys are going to see is when both of my eyes are already done and concealed.
Tryna get it, I was.
Okay guys, so both eyebrows are now carved out and my eyes are now primed. So the first brush I'm going to be using today is my Morphe M411 brush, and I'm going to be dipping into the color Low Blow mixed with Sauced, which are these two nude colors right here. So I'm going to dip into both of those and I'm going to put those in my crease.
To me, got me tripping off your energy. Don't tell promises you ain't gon' keep. I'll find another who gon' do for me. See, I just wanna know.
Okay guys, so the next brush I'll be using is my M433 brush, and I'm going to be dipping into the color Cayenne. I'm going to be putting Cayenne on my outer and inner V. I'm also going to be blending that into the crease color as well. So you're gonna see me use my M411 brush again to blend those two colors together.
The truth, but you left and had me beating my emotions. You acted like I ain't exist and kept it moving. If I knew that you would do this, would've never give my heart to you. All those times you said you loved me was nothing to you. Baby, you ain't gotta lie to me. Got me tripping off your energy.
Okay guys, so the next color I'm going to be going into is the color He Devil, and I'm going to be placing that in the same area just to darken that out. And I'm going to be using my M456 brush.
Okay, so right here, a piece of the brush like got stuck onto my eye, and so I was just trying to get it off. While I'm adding different colors, you guys will see me going into different brushes. For example, the M411 brush. So that's just to blend all the colors in together so it's seamless.
Brush I'm going to be using is my E62. I am going to be dipping into the color Ashes and En Fuego, but mostly En Fuego. Those two right there, mostly En Fuego. And I'm going to be darkening just the tiniest bit of my outer corner and inner corner, placing that over the last color. But what it's doing, it's building up it's just building off the color. You know what I'm talking about.
All I ever did was loving you, admit it. I always tried to give you my full attention. Baby, you ain't gotta lie.
Okay guys, so the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking my M410 brush, and I'm going to be dipping into the foundation on the back of my hand, and I'm going to do the halo effect right on. If you don't know what I'm going to do, is it's just taking my brush, going down the middle of my eye like that, and looking up as well to make sure I put it where it can be seen, because you want your halo eye to be seen even when your eyes are open. So that's the whole point of bringing up the concealer, well, in my case foundation, up.
I was on you, stressing about all of those times I could've loved.
Color Unce, which is this white powder or white shade, and has a little bit of shimmer in it, but that's fine.
Just remember that I cared for you, I'm sorry.
now I'm going back into my E62 brush. I'm just going to use whatever product is left on there, and I'm just going to make sure that it's blended. So I'm going to do the other eye off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so both eyes are now done. I don't know why I do such a good job at cutting this crease when I'm doing halo eyes, but suck at doing my left eye. But I'm going to be covering that up. I just wanted kind of an outlined and a lighter base, so what I'm going to put on top of it shows more. So I'm going to be dipping into the color Scorched right here, and I'm going to be using my finger for this one so I can get a better application. So I'm just going to be right there, and I don't know why I just tapped my finger. And I'm
okay, so I'm just taking my brush and blending out the side so it's seamless.
If I knew that you would do this, would I never give my heart to you? All those times you said you loved me.
Okay, so now I'm going to be going into the color Lumbre, and I'm going to be using my finger again, and I'm just gonna put that on top so I can get a better shine when the light hits it.
You had me on a low, stressing 'cause you weren't even picking up your phone.
So that's it for the eyeshadow look. Very soft, very easy. So right now I'm going to put on some lashes, and I'll be right back to just show you the finished eye look. Okay guys, so this is the finished eyeshadow look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, bye guys.
That you would do this, would I never give my heart to you? All those times you said you loved me.